What are you doing here? I'm pulling a train, said Thomas. Can't you see? Where are your coaches, then? How shall we mend it? We'll do it with newspaper and a leather bootlace. Well, where is the bootlace coming from? Ask the passengers.
There's no way. Say you swear to God.
You have a leather bootlace there, I see, sir. Please give it to me.
I won't.
Boy, if you...
James had just brought the coaches to the platform when he heard a mournful noise. There was Gordon trying to sidle into the station without being noticed.
Hello, Gordon. Is it tomorrow?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Did you lose your way, Gordon? No, it was lost for me. I was switched off the main line onto the loop. I had to go all round and back again. Perhaps it was instinct.
Oh dear, my system is out of order. No one understands my case. You don't know what I suffer, moaned Henry. Rubbish, said Thomas. You're too fat. You need exercise. Inspector, he whispered, can you see fish?
Hello, I'm Terrence. I'm plowing.
I'm Thomas. I'm pulling a train. What ugly wheels you've got.
Whoa. I took your passengers and Terrence the tractor pulled you out. I've come to help you with your passengers today.
Help me. I can go faster than you.
You can't.
Look, call some boys. There's a new tank engine. Oh, it's only Gordon back to front.
Take care. You might stick too. No fear. I'm not so fat as you.
He was red in the face and very cross. Disgracefully sputtered. I didn't sleep a wink. James was very rude whenever he saw them.
Yuck! What dirty objects.
At last, Toby lost patience. James, he asked, why are you red?
I am a splendid engine, ready for anything. You never see my paint dirty.
Beep, 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 beep. Hello, backface.